Hello and welcome to Coreano Muebles. Today, we are in San Pedro Garza Garcia, here in Monterrey, Nuevo Leon, to show you a house we have for sale for 68 million pesos. Join me. A hat. Hola! This house seems somewhat particular and its design is a bit peculiar to me. As you can see, we don't have any windows. The window visible from out here. And this design was done by the architect Alejandro Aravena, who in 2016 won the Pritzker Prize, the main architecture prize in the world. And the house is called Casa Elemental. Welcome to you. And a short pause to give you the good news that our website Coreano Inmuebles is now live. So that's where you can see a large list of all the properties we have. We legally validate all the properties before uploading them here, and with just a few clicks you can schedule a visit to all the properties we have, including this very cool house in Valle de Bravo, which will soon be. And when you make an appointment, our real estate concierge not only will give you a tour of the property, but will also help you with your paperwork. Mortgage and notary limits at no cost to you for that service. So what are you waiting for? Go to coreanoinmuebles.com so you can see our entire listing and perhaps find your ideal property. Don't hesitate to schedule an appointment and contact us to help you find your next home. But for now, let's go back to the really cool house we have in Monterrey. Unlike the view from the outside of the house, here inside we have many glass panes and many windows. In fact, we have very good interior lighting as well. And as we go through the house, it's going to start getting dark, and at night all these details will be much more noticeable of. This house consists of 3 levels. We could call the one below as level 1, the one we entered level 2, and level 3 where the main bedroom is located. On this level, we have 2 rooms on the sides, but let's take the tour naturally. We would arrive by car, pass through the door, and to the left we have this TV room. It can also be used to welcome new. Our guests can wait here watching a little television or also be received with a cup of tea. On this second level, we have 2 rooms, and I will take you to one of them. Please go ahead. As you can see, we have a lot of ventilasi to me was and also many open spaces to have some connection with nature, so the house does not feel too enclosed. And I love how the bathrooms are distributed in this house. Here, entering, you feel a very calm atmosphere because we have very neutral tones, and if you notice, all the walls are curved because that's the shape of the whole house itself. We have a quite spacious shower here. We have the toilet in its own cubicle for a room. I think it's a sufficiently large bathroom, and the walk-in closet is also very bright, but you know what? It doesn't compare to the closet we have upstairs in the main bedroom. This house is that from the front door, you walk a few steps and you're already at the entrance of the main bedroom. So as through these illuminated stairs, we can reach the largest room in this house, which is on the top level of the house. And you know what? This is one of the most impressive main rooms I have seen in my entire life. I mean, just look. In this room, we can appreciate not only the architecture, the circular architecture of the whole house, and and it is also section not divided. What do I mean? This part is section without walls so that you can watch your favorite series in the afternoons with all. And just 3 steps away, you have the main bed, but also without any other wall or door, we can get to the bathroom and the closet. Join me at the bathroom as well because it's very beautiful. Honestly, the warm lighting throughout this house, and also the very neutral tones make this space feel very calm. Very calm. And when we are using the bathtub to bathe, well, thanks to the architecture of the house, we cannot be seen from the other side, but natural light still comes in. shower and toilet each in their own spaces. And if we turn around, there is the closet. Usually in a walk-in closet, you are in a place without light. Natural light, which in this case we do have. Also, you're in an enclosed space within many walls. And here, upoki amadula warasa si iuisinya tortia. As you can see, we don't have walls that truly divide this space. Here we can put our shoes, our clothes. And belisila, with the details of these mirrors and the LED lights, it makes this entire space feel even larger. Now jumping to the first floor, which is the highlight of this house. And I don't know about you, but I feel like as I'm getting off as a spaceship, because the house is round and we have this bridge that goes down and leads us to the first floor of the house. We have here a marvelous, exquisite space, I would say. This level, which is the first, is like the entertainment level. We have a very beautiful garden, a little dog with a rather long pool, but look at how much space we have here to hang out. Okay, was about 15 friends could be in this space enjoying and at the same time having a green view and an open view, thanks to all these huge glass panels that and in fact all of this can be moved to make it a completely open space. And if you come with me this way, we also have a space that I think is my favorite in the whole house. To start with, look at this little detail. This tablet has a picture of the house, even the car is the same and in the same, and with this we can control the lighting, what is projected on the television, as well as the cameras and the sound we have that we see in this whole environment. If you notice, we have many circular elements in the decoration of this entire property. Look, the lamps are circular. Also the chandelier above this dining room, which by the way is circular. But something that really catches my attention is the lighting we have. So beautiful and as elegant as that of a Tethys restaurant. If we move to this side, I specifically like this area because here I imagine myself cooking pasta at night with a little wine, with my wife while the children are running, playing here. And at the same time, we can see all the way to the garden because funnily enough, the architecture of this house is like a castle that protects you from everything outside this house. But inside we have a lot of glass, a lot of connection, fewer walls, so it invites interaction among the people inside the house. Des Poerti. If we push this wall, we also have a lit space here where we can wash our dishes, wash some fruits, our sosiso, to serve our guests. And what happens if we don't have wine here? Well, we have a wine cellar just a few steps away, and it is a very modern cellar. It has LED lights and it is now indeed in a place where the sun doesn't enter. Here you can easily fit about 100 bottles. Behind you, if you follow me, we have a very large kitchen, very beautiful by the way, which also has many entrances. Natural light, and again the circular theme continues even on the stairs. Also on this floor we have a guest bedroom. How beautiful it is. I'll confess, the first time I came in here, I didn't see the toilet because it's the same color as the wall, so it camouflaged. I said, wow, they don't have a toilet. But look at what an elegant space. A lot of contrast between the black, brown, and white of this marble. But despite all this contrast, everything matches, doesn't it? So what did you think of this tour? An impressive property, very different from those we have seen before, designed by a world-renowned architect na Tessa Sesutu and Let's remember that we are in one of the most privileged areas of all Monterrey, and the house is for sale for 68 million pesos. For more information about this house, we leave the details in the description of this video. Personally, it's going to be a space that I will remember for a long time. Take care of yourselves. We will see each other in the next videos. This was Koreano in Mubul.